Something inside you is dying. You can't see it, you can't hear it, but you feel it every morning you wake up and do nothing. You used to dream big, now you just scroll. You used to have fire, now you just have excuses. That quiet voice inside you saying, you can do better, that's discipline. And every day you ignore it, it fades away. The world today doesn't want you disciplined. It wants you comfortable. Your phone gives you dopamine, your fridge gives you sugar, your screen gives you validation. You're not lazy by nature, you're overstimulated. You've been trained to chase pleasure instead of purpose. And the scariest part, you think you're in control, but you're not. Every time you say, I'll do it tomorrow, you're not postponing progress. You're burying your potential. Your brain has two voices. One says, stay comfortable. The other says, do what's right. The more you listen to comfort, the weaker your control becomes. It's like a muscle. Ignore it long enough and it dies. That's how discipline disappears. Not with a scream, but with silence. You stop setting alarms. You stop keeping promises. And one day you stop believing you ever could. But here's the truth. Discipline isn't gone forever. It's waiting for you to fight back. You don't rebuild it with motivation. You rebuild it with pain. By doing the thing you don't want to do. Again and again. Wake up early. Put down the phone. Do the reps. Read the page. Keep the promise. Every small victory resurrects the part of you that refused to quit. The death of discipline was never the end. It was the test. Because every time you choose growth over comfort, you breathe life back into your power. So ask yourself, is your discipline dead or just waiting for you to wake it up? Beat pause, music swells. If this hit you, don't just feel inspired, act. Like this video, subscribe and remind yourself every single day. Discipline isn't a skill, it's survival.